Noel, what do you got?
This is like one of Ben's. This is like Ben's. See?
Yeah, Noel, what do you got?
I got my new cushion. I got a pillow. What's this one? Only Air Force. Daddy, this is mine. Air Force. Daddy, this is mine.
Yeah. Hey, Noel, let's open up your last box. You want to come see what's inside of it?
Yeah. Can I open it?
No. Watch out. Hang on.
Oh, look out.
This one right over here.
Look out, Noel.
Here, do you want a video?
Oh, sure.
Turn around. It's already going. Come here, Noel. Come here.
Last box. Smallest and the heaviest, actually.
Hold on. Watch out. Hang on.
Stay out of the way of the camera, Noel.
No shooting crazy. You're fine.
And bedding. Let me see that. That's not mine. Oh, cute. Hello. So cute. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. They're mine. They're mine.
Noel, what do you say? What do you want to say to Aunt Lori?
Thank you, Aunt Lori.
Yeah. And you say thank you to Uncle Bruce?
Thank you, Uncle Bruce.
Oh, wow, cool.
Now